Oh yeah. And then me up at the top of the stairs. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I guess. I'll drive there if you drive back, Jake.
I'll make you a promise. If I buy the car, I will drive back.
Wait, where am I sitting then?
Sean got the other car.
Oh, we need to get the laundry basket out.
Just his hands.
You're telling me, dude.
Tell me when you're ready.
I've been ready. I've been recording.
What do I say? Just like standing here.
Wait, what was I gonna say?
Tell me if I'm far enough away. Make sure you can focus on Mallory. Like, can you see me?
I'm ready whenever you guys are. We're putting race gas in the race cruise.
When the videos are so short.
All right, what are we doing?
Okay. So we're going to go pick out a new fucking car for me because the Mustang is a piece of shit, and this is actually like one of my favorite cars, and I've always wanted one. And we're gonna go check it out today. And Mallory is hauling ass in the race cruise, going at a whopping double nickel. We're going. We're booking. Woo!
Woo!
God damn it. It's really gonna fucking suck not drifting the Mustang anymore.
Jake, shut the hell up. Your Mustang didn't have a V8 in it.
You know, and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Bitch. Fuck a bitch, though. Y'all ain't want us before we was rich, ho. I can't go back to the shit.
Ew! That is so gross. Don't film that.
You're good. I just pissed all over this dude's driveway. We're rolling. Rolling. When I'm
I need the phone.
dirty.
I need to have the... I don't know where I'm turning. I'm guessing this road.
It's this road right here.
Well, I need the...
All night when I'm
Pissing.
all night when I'm pissing.
Pissing.
Dirty. How many times you gonna play with dick before you're dirty? But I'm chosen, so I'm pissing.
Look at that. I feel like we're all about to get murdered.
We're on the way to go get me a motherfucking big car. And we're gonna get
This is
killed
scary.
because we don't care. Mallory's being a little pussy.
You can walk.
All night when I'm walking.
I'm pretty sure we're on the same the brakes.
Yeah, I'll definitely be swapped. Do your windows work?
All right, Jake, how do you feel about the car?
I fucking love it.
That's it?
Yeah. It's
no,
dope.
No thoughts?
It's cool. I dig it.
You gonna talk about it?
Yeah.
It's black. It's a piece of shit. Got an ugly ass fucking wing. But it's gonna be cool. No comment.
Okay.
Okay, so the reason behind us wanting to get a 240 SX was because my Mustang was broke. But collectively we decided that it'd probably be best to just fix a Mustang, and we have some really big plans coming up for it, and so that's more content for you guys. And today I hit 100 subscribers, and I'm really thankful for all your support. Not really sure what to do with my hands, but keep commenting, liking, and subscribing to my channel. It's very much appreciated. Oh yeah! Don't tell me what to say, because this is literally just a prep. So I'm thinking like this is going to be the intro to the vlog that we're going to post.
The intro is you eating a biscuit.
Just wait.
The intro is you.
Tell me you're ready. Time out. Let me tell you. Hey guys, thanks for the 100 subs. So I've been looking. So pretty. I love her so much. Pizza?
Yeah.
I'm trying to go get some breakfast pizza. Wow, that's some good shit. I love me some breakfast.
All right, let's go.
All right. That's for you, 100 subs, bitch. I was gonna spit at the camera and I said not to.
Yeah, we'll go, man.